Now it is time. Now it is the correct time. Why am I so low? First a good stretch after a long day of work, and I basically played Stardew Valley for 5 hours straight. But no, I didn't. For 2 hours, okay. Wasn't 5 hours, it wasn't 5. So there we go. What other game do you mean, Alfredo? Hi everyone, hi. My other game, I'm not really working on anything else right now. Other game do you mean? I mean, I have a couple of projects going on. The biggest one is this one here, but I can't remember anything there. It's been too long, it's been 3 months. Factory Simulator, it's been a year or so I've not been working on this. I think that's the one, maybe. Big one. But I haven't really worked on it. It's not done. I completely forgot everything about it. I actually want to... Why is my music so loud? I actually want to go back to programming something mostly offline. I want to go back to programming something mostly offline. Because I just want to do it as a project for myself. Almost everything I'm doing nowadays is for the YouTube channel or Twitch or work or anything. I'm barely doing anything for myself. Yeah. Pretty much. So I want to make an offline project, but I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm a busy person, you know. I'm just busy. Not too busy though. Actually, I'm not busy at all. I just have many hobbies. And I also have another appointment in like 2 hours. I have to be somewhere else. Not physically, but I cannot stream for too long today. It's probably going to be like 2 hours. This other project takes so long to load. Why does it? The other one doesn't have too nice graphics, actually. The new one we're working on has better graphics than this one. Because I'm using the URP. Hi, Ali. Hi. Wait, give me some room. I mean, this one has nice assets and stuff, but it's not nice graphics. Alright, I forgot I can run, jump. Woo, it's more jump, run thingy. And building stuff. I mean, it kind of looks nice. Some of it. I forgot how this works. Hey, player inventory. Hey, select building. You can build stuff. And hey, there we go. Lumber mill. There it is. It is the new one. The horror game has 10 times better graphics. More than 10 times. This just looks nice because it's just a small area here and nothing's going on. I completely forgot how anything... Hey, that's me! Completely forgot how anything works here. Wait, oh, I can build buildings, right? Oh, right. Oh, there's more buildings now in town. I have not worked on this in a long time. So I won't really show it. I will close it now. I won't touch it. Unnamed game. The new one we're working on even has a name. So that's newer. That's better. I'm having too many projects. That's a problem. Good. Let's go and start with the thing we're actually working on, which is the horror game. The graphics are way nicer. Not right here because nothing here is done. But yeah. I do not remember what we did. Is that here? That should be here. Let's check out the last state. Because I cannot... By the love of God, I can't remember. It's been a week. Alright, we've been here. So this area... We're kind of done with all the areas. So there's collectibles. Oh, I can't jump. I just pressed space because I wanted to jump, but I can't. There's this area. We've got to find something. That's good. We have made the animations. So a lot in this area is done. I have not planned what I will do today. I should have planned what I'm doing, but I have no idea. Let's see, let's put this up here. What should we be doing? What should we be doing? And I kind of don't feel like programming. I've been working, I don't have too much energy. Hi, Christo. Sure, ask thematic stuff. Sure, go on. Hey, you sub with Prime. Hey, thanks. Thank you. Hi. You are allowed to ask questions now for the sub. I don't know if I have answers though. Right. And I'm also concentrating a bit on this, but go, shoot. Questions. Sure, why not? Hey, Warlock. Hi. So, what we need to do is make all of this interactable. Right now, it's just stuff that's there. We need to make it interactable. I think I want to start with the cabinets. I want to wear it there. With those cabinets, I want to start. Let's grab one. We have... Those are assets, right? Cabinet hiding, yeah. Cabinet hiding. There we go. I've got the prefab. I will just put one here for testing reasons. There we go. You're getting engaged soon? What do you mean getting engaged? You should... we should be the first ones to know. Your fiance should be. But congratulations. To a German girl? Wait. No, I know where this is going. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have known what you're about to say. I knew it. Are you for real or are you just kidding? Super Hash Boy, I have no idea. Spread the word. Go out there on your social media. Spread it. I'm not on social media. I think that's the main problem. No, you're kidding. Now I get it, Ali. I get it now. Yeah, I should get thousands and millions. There she is. There she is, Ali. Go over on Twitch. There she is. Do you see? She should be in chat there somewhere. There she is. She wrote, "Hey, just for you." Just go out, spread the word. Get them all into Discord. We have the link. Just get them all in Discord. We can discuss. We can have a fun time. Trick to change the format in tier. How do I trigger the dialogue to upload? You mean you select them in the project tree and then you hit the download button? That's how I would do it. Don't exactly know what the problem is there. Strange. Sounds like whatever you select in the project tree, that is what you're going to download. Just select the HMI again or the PLC or whatever, and then everything will be downloaded. Try this. I don't know if that's wrong. Your sister's birthday, she got delicious cake. I do not. The main thing is Twitch only for her. Yeah, go to Twitch just for her. You should change the username to something more fit. I couldn't even eat. If we would have delicious cake, I'm doing something. I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing something called intermittent fasting, and I still have to take a break from eating for the next 11 hours. So I'm only eating like maximum 6 hours a day. Like more, I eat breakfast and I eat lunch and that's it. I don't eat, like outside those times I basically don't eat. So intermittent fasting, it's pretty, like, it's good for your body. This is more how the human body should do, like should be treated. It feels good. So even if I would have cake, I couldn't eat it right now. It is super healthy, yeah. I feel much better since I've been doing it. It's almost a year and I just feel much better. I've lost like 10 kilograms or so. It is. My body just feels way healthier. Yeah, also Twitch for me. 2 days a week for 16 hours. Yeah, I do it every day for 60. I do 16 plus 8. Usually I do more like 19 plus 5. I do it all the week. Every day. I have done it now for... I don't know. I don't know what my chain is. I don't even know if I can look it up. 139 days only in the app. I've only been doing it for 130 days. 140 days. In a row. I had 2 exceptions which were both on Christmas. Because I had to visit family and then we just ate all day. It is healthy. It's a healthy lifestyle. It's healthy for my body. 100%. There's also science behind it. I'm just playing my game right now. There's science behind it. There's different phases. I don't know them in English. But there's different phases to what your body, like, to how your body processes food. And if you just ram in food, your body can't keep up. Your body just can't keep up. I mean, everybody's different, but that's the main stuff. So I feel much better since. Let's get into this, by the way. I've just been, like, this feels already like a horror game I've just been playing. Let's do the cabinet. Let's make those interactable. So those have to be interactable. So the cabinet hiding, in very general. Let's go to the prefab. This thing here should be something called interactable. I cannot remember how I did it in my game. I think I have to do it on the layer interactable. Yes, change the children too. I don't care. Well, we don't need to change the children. Mesh collider. They don't need a collider. Nah, I don't want those to have colliders. What? What did I just... Ah, I deleted the renderer. Whoops. Nope. I want the collider to be gone because I don't need a collider here on those. Doesn't matter. Main. Case main. Yeah, the case main. No, let's put it on the main thingy. Let's give this one a box collider. That's enough. Let's not waste resources where they are not needed. Yeah, usually I don't do any like diets or something. Even when I'm doing a lot of sport, I never really did any diet. Just never felt right for my body. Boink. And if I would feel bad or something, I would also eat. No, I had 3 days. I had Christmas, 2 days of Christmas time, and I had 1 day where I felt really bad because I was just sick, and I also ate on that day. We've got the collider here. We've got an interactable. I still need to push a component interactable on this. Interactable object. Is that from me? That's not a script I did. I just have interactable. Switch useless? What? Interactable object? What? Interactables. Why did I not give them proper namings? Why did I not... Oh my god, if you use polymorphy... Polymorphing. If you use children and parenting, give those things proper names. Like I didn't. I'm an idiot. But that's okay. Mine inside. Let's make a new script. Let's call that interactable cabinet hiding. There we go. Which is still not proper naming, but it's better than it was before. Yeah. By the way, I don't know if I have much energy programming. Because I've been working. I might switch over to gaming after an hour or so. Maybe. I literally do not know. This should be an interactable. There we go. Got it. Save. Let's do it. I think that's it. Now I can just write the behavior. I put it in here. Let's give that an icon. Door. Do I have a door icon? Open? Hide. Icon? Easy code. I just deleted everything, I'm afraid of. Easy coding. Easy code. Yeah. There is actually code in this already, what I did. I can show you. What's a good hiding? What's a good hiding icon? You see any? I would say this arrow just pointing in like this. Could that be a good hiding icon? Yeah, I think so, right? That's... No? Which one? Those are the icons. I don't want to draw one. What's a good one? I don't have any. That's all the icons I have. I even pay money for those. And a lot more, but pay money. The icon quit? But that is out of the cabinet. I mean, that is really going out of something. That is not going into. I mean, that makes sense to go out of the cabinet. That is not really going in. So also an enter. If there's not, there's none. Is YouTube lagging? YouTube tells me it's lagging, but I don't know why. Strange. You tried? I mean, it's not too important. It's not too important. There's this many icons. I think I like the arrow just pointing in. You're right with the with the quit. I already used it, unfortunately, as well. So I think that one here. I see how it feels like. Not interactable. No, interactable string. Hide. Yeah, just hide. That's it. Yeah, that's good. Let's test something. So, okay, right now I don't know if my interactable stuff still works, so I need to test it. Now it should do nothing because it's not. Stupid dubstep. Well, do you know that when you make your, when you increase the volume of whatever you have, or if you make the next song, and then this window up here is there, and you want to press exactly there, because I need to press exactly behind that thing, and it's just in the way. YouTube. Not YouTube, but Windows. So, okay, cabinet hiding. It is there. It is interactable tag. Does it also need the tag interactable? No. No, it doesn't. It's got a box code. Does it need to be a trigger? No, the trigger is on the thing. Oh, I'm an idiot. Am I? I could look something up, but did I put the rigid body on the... Did I put it on the player, or do I have to put it on there? How did I make it? Aha! Look at this. Yeah, I use Mixamo animations. Yeah. I mean, there's many, many more, but... Haha, look at this. This looks okay. And I can also make this. Now it's not interactable, so it should... You always have to download the correct animation for the correct character. Oh, they freeze after 2. Mine don't. Mine do not. Mine are always complete. That's strange. Why does it still, if it's... Oh, no, it is interactable. Wait, it's not interactable. Why does it still do this? Shouldn't. I forgot. I completely forgot. How do my interactables work? There we go. So there is already code in this. This is all, I've created this. On Collider, if the object is cursor, then get the cursor. If the interact is... I gotta go through my code. This is bad code. Yeah, sure. This is my code. What do you expect? Come on. Oh yeah, that was this. That was this. That was this. I do not remember what any of this is. Are you kidding me? I mean, it's probably even decent code, but I just can't remember what I did there. Let me think about life for 5 seconds. What? Am I stupid? Am I just stupid? Look at this. But did I? Stupid? Oh, I'm stupid. That's okay. No. I mean, I'm stupid, but... Oh, I am stupid. Whoops. No. Yeah. Oh, I was still in the prefab. I didn't really work with this object. That's why it didn't work. Oh, there we go. E to hide. Is interactable? No. There we go. Now it works. There we go. I'm just an idiot. Who would have guessed? There we go. So those should work. Let me just test and walk around a little bit and see if they actually do the thing. Yeah, they do. Hide. I don't know. I've got them spread out somewhere. I don't know where. There. What? Why does this one not work? What? The one that was there worked, but the others don't. This one works, but the others don't. I can't get in yet. We don't have a single line of code for getting in. That is the effort behind. We will need to make this. And there is actually quite a lot involved with it. So that is okay. What? They should have been near. Untagged, interactable. Why did this not work? It should have worked. No, the trigger is on... And they are prefab. They all work the same way. The trigger is on the trigger. I've got a trigger in the character, so that's the trigger that I'm using. I'm just pressing E and nothing happened. I'm an idiot. I know nothing's going to happen because I just programmed that. Why won't they work? What is this? I've got a suspicion, but I'm not entirely sure. This one here. Let me see something, because I've got a suspicion and that will just fucking destroy everything. I'm not supposed to curse, by the way. I just heard this week that when YouTube and Twitch, like when the algorithms detect you cursing, your videos won't be pushed. Hey, congratulations, Hartos. Congratulations. Finally someone. They suck. Vodafone, I'm usually not against anything, but Vodafone, they just suck. They have a bad service, they have bad reception, everything about it is shit. So I would never ever recommend Vodafone anymore. It used to be good, it's just shit now. Like a lot of services have become. I've got this for some services now that I actually think they are pretty shitty. Let's make a debug statement. On trigger stay. Debug log test. Hey, Mohammed. Hi. He's amazing. No, it's okay. I'm already thinking about the next project. I actually want to... I'm still working on this because I want to finish it. I don't want to, like, leave it... After we put so much effort in it, I don't just want to leave it there. But I kind of already have the next project in mind. See, it works. That's okay. Does this still work? It's okay. Does it work here? There? No, actually they don't collide. There's no collision with this. So it's not what I expected it to be. So it's another error. MMORPG. Hey, hey, got more craft. I don't think so. Maybe. Is it because it's static? Can't be. No, it's not. Why? I mean, this one works. This one has the exact same conditions as the rest. Does it? You will write the lore. Oh, that would be amazing because I'm bad. I'm not a storyteller. I'm pretty bad with that kind of stuff. I don't understand why one works and the rest doesn't. Because it's a prefab. Prefabs, it's the same thing. Why does this not work? Yeah, the collider is there. Maybe make a sequel. No, I don't. The thing is, I personally do not really like horror games. I started this because I wanted it to be a fun thing for Halloween. I personally do not really like horror games. I like logic games. I like the things where you need to learn, where you need to like learn the game first, and then you can be creative. Those elements, they're all the same. So why does one work but the rest does not? Let's try to go in here. We've got all the cabinets hiding. Where's the other one? This is the one that works, this here. What's so different about this one? Absolutely nothing. Yeah, literally nothing is special about this. Is trigger where? There. No, it's the same for all. The trigger thing is I've got for a trigger you always have two sides. You have a trigger that is marked as a trigger, and you have another element that is marked as not a trigger. The trigger I have on the player. I have on the player. It's somewhere there. I don't even know where it is. There, somewhere here. Yeah, there. The cursor itself is the trigger, so that's there. And it works for one cabinet. It doesn't work for the others, so it cannot be this. So that works. Does this one here in the back work? No. Neither. Wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. What? Wait, I could walk through the others. No, it's not the original. They're all the same element. That's why. It cannot be about this. I just realized I can walk through the... can walk through those. Why can't I walk through them? I should not be able to. There's the collider. I think I know the problem. Okay, here's the problem. No. If you delete them, that's not solving the problem. That's going around. I have to solve problems. I'm not going around them. I have to solve them. And here's the thing. I think I know what it is. Let me explain first, then I will repair it, and then I will I will test it. The problem is... No, don't... I always have to fix the problem. I don't want to have a workaround. The problem is those right here. They are right now colliding with the wall. This one as well. They're colliding with the wall. That's why the collider itself probably goes away. Like, it's probably being pushed. I cannot really show it. I mean, I can. Let's press play. It should move away. Should be able to see it moving. Yeah. I'm sorry. But this is where the cabinet is now. You see it? Like, for the game, the collider itself moved. The collider go wee. I didn't do it. It is the game. That's how the engine works. So now if I put the game back here, let's do it again. Let's do it again, and we should see the thing happening again. Yeah. You see it's moving away. And that's actually kind of funny. And now in the game, if I go there... it's this one here, right? It's somewhere there. Yeah. Now we have the prompt here in the corner. Okay, I get it. See, always think about it. Always first think and then do. It's not a secret door. No, I won't leave it as a secret door. What we should do is on the cabinet, on the prefab here, what we can do is make the rigid body. Let's make it kinematic. Hey, Melis. If we make it kinematic, the thing doesn't move anymore. It means it's stuck where it is. It doesn't interact anymore. It just serves as a body there. It's just fixed in the position. So if I now press play, it should not move anymore. That's not the one. Yeah, it doesn't move anymore and should stay there where it is. The closet just died and became a ghost. Yeah, kind of. There we go. Now it's in place. Now it's perfect. That's there. Where's the other one? There. Those two had the problem because they are too close to the wall. The wall basically pushed them away. And now it's not anymore. So good. Why does the game always keep popping out? Okay, we fixed it. Good. That is what's programming about. Let's delete the debug thingy here. I don't need that anymore. And let's make it interactable. Hi, Akash. Hi. And hi, everyone. Hi, everyone that joined. Wait, I always forget. Hi. Love that. So, let's make it so we can actually interact with the thing. I will make it the cheap way. It was Ghost Cabinet. Ghost Cabinet, dude. Gmod, yeah, it is kind of what prop pile explosion. It is similar. It's a similar thing. It goes around killing teenagers. Let's try not to do it. Okay, here's the next thing. This is going to be very complicated, I think. That's why I'm drinking water, because I need the energy. Water doesn't have much energy, but still, I need to drink. The cabinet itself is where we're hiding, right? We cannot see through it, unfortunately. This is bad. Why can I not look through it? Big bad locker. Not really. It's unfortunate that we cannot see through it. I mean, usually, I've never been inside one locker. Can you actually see through the little thingies there? I don't think so. Should you? Should you? Can you really? I mean, I can't change it here. I cannot change the thing, so I won't. No, we're just inside then? We're just inside the locker? Nah. Yeah, of course you can. The potential to become big nowadays, you've got it everywhere. There's potential everywhere, but no one ever does. Yeah, the problem right now is I cannot look outside. I'm just basically in here. They are kind of like they are looking down, pointing down. So it's I don't know if you could really see through those. Hi, Hugh. Hi. Hi. Wait, no, wrong button. Hi. I thinking about the same thing that Malice just said, that we have like the door slightly open. That we leave the door, whoops, like slightly, just slightly open, right? Something like this, and then we can kind of look outside, kind of like see on the side here. I will think about this, but first, let's try to get the whole closet door in your hands. Oh no! I mean, if it's an accident, who cares? The toddlers make stupid shit all the time, so who cares? I'm thinking about two things. Does it make sense to put the player character in there? No, it doesn't. What I want to do is the cabinet hiding. Yeah, we will have a camera. I will put a camera in here. We will have a camera just like in here. And that will just be stock. We'll just be here like stock. Exactly something like this position, I don't know. Let's add a camera. Camera? Where's camera? Yeah. That's exactly how I want it. No. How do I see the... I should be able to see the camera. Where's my camera preview? Oh, there. Oh, I had it turned off. Okay. There we go. So camera preview, I just want to be... we're just going inside of this bad boy. Why do I not see anything? I do not see anything. What? Wait, there we go. Why do I not see anything? The wall pushed the camera. Not that again. Not the wall again. No. Why do I not see anything? I should be able to see from the inside here. Wait. Oh no, it's not. Now I should see. Why do I not see anything? Huh. Huh. It's really strange. The problem is now I also don't know exactly what's going on because of the because I'm using the universal render pipeline. That works different with cameras here. Culling mask. Nothing. That should be correct. Let's see if the player camera actually gives me a feedback. Player. There's a lot of things going on in the player. Yeah, the player camera actually can see. Culling mask. Okay, culling mask, everything has to be active. Okay. Projection, perspective, I don't care. Huh. Why? Culling mask, everything. Why don't it see any? Why did Moinkis? Yeah. There's 7 audio listeners, I know. So we really didn't see anything. Why? That's why I said I'm not in the mood for programming today, because I can't even think straight. Ah! Shit, don't. Volume layer is default. Default. Wait. There's something. There's a little something. I can see something. Oh yeah, it does work. Oh. Oh. Oh, wait. I think what we need is the following. We actually need a little light inside. Isn't that what's missing? Guys, that's what's missing, right? This little light inside. When I was young, I had this light inside of me, which I don't have it anymore. It's not there anymore, but we need it. We need a little light inside. I think that's the problem. Let's put that somewhere in the cabinet. Not make it too bright. That's too bright. It's too bright. That should fix it. I don't know. Maybe boink. Hey, maybe that helps. Probably doesn't. Let's give it another color so it's more like really threatening light. Range 10, it doesn't really matter. The range doesn't really matter or anything. Density does. Okay. That should be it. Yeah, now the camera actually sees something. Okay. This is shower. Kinda is. Yeah. Looking down, kind of looking up. Kind of something like this. Let's see. Oh, I did this. I did mistake. But it should be fine. Just for testing. I mean, kind of. I don't know why we... I need to change the perspective. Whoops. The point light itself has to have a bigger radius. That's for sure. Yeah, it's okay. Must not be as strong. What do I do after this game? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to have for breakfast tomorrow. How would I know what I'm doing in a long time from now? My plan actually in Unity is to make a game I actually want to play. I also want to play this, don't get me wrong, but it's not my type of game. I actually want to make like a logics-driven game. Like maybe a simulator kind of game. So that's more what I usually like to make. Like to play. So that's really what I want to make as well. So you see the problem here is really like the camera here, the field of view kind of stuff. Yeah, mainly the field of view is the problem. There we go. Maybe like this. You can learn lots of things. Yeah, I'm still going with a lot of Unity videos, right? I'm still going with a lot of Unity videos. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. See, that's better. That's now centered. Let's actually apply all of this to the prefabs themselves. I don't like the light yet. It's too bright in there. No, let's... the emission. I hate this. Why do they... 0.06. Oh, there. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we're just inside of that thing. It's okay. It doesn't really matter. I mean, we could have the door open a little bit. Let's see what it looks like when we leave the door open. Just a bit. Can't see shit. But I like this. I think I like it more. I don't know. Let's see. Camera. Yeah, let's rotate it a bit so it's actually looking there. Let's take the point light. Let's move it a bit there. Make it the radius. The range. Much bigger. That should be nice now. Let's see. So we should now be able to kind of look outside. Kind of? I think so. Something like this, maybe. I mean, it's shitty light. That's why it's now just brown outside. Let's see. Range 2. No, let's make it bigger. Doesn't matter. Let's crank up the intensity. Whoosh. No. Radius. No. Nah, let's revert most of it. I think that's okay. Why is it blue now? Why is it blue? There we go. Oh, that was just a bug. Okay, we just had a bug. Perfect. Yeah. I think we're good. Apply to the prefab. I don't know why this is not in the prefab, but it's okay. 0.06. There we go. Hi Jonas, I have learned just by doing. I have a degree in electrical engineering. The rest is it's just playing around, it's just doing. I'm already an old man. Like in your time you will learn a lot of things. Let's test if the others also look nice. Should have the exact same view now, yeah. Yeah, good. Okay, that's the first thing. The next thing that I want to do is that this is not active. The camera should not be active from the beginning on. There we go. Now I should have the player again, but no, it will not because the player doesn't exist right now. Whoops. So, here we go. Boinkis. Easy peasy. Now if I do this, right? If we hit E, we should actually go in there. So the player will deactivate and we will go into the cabinet. Okay? Good. Because that's about to happen and that is now some effort. So I will definitely start now, but I will probably not finish. Because that is in our scripting in here. Yeah. That is in here. I will have to copy and paste it a little bit because I forgot how I did this. If in cursor, then... Oh no, that's okay. If... There we go. Done. Okay. You couldn't see that because I was doing something off... Oh. Is it an update function? It's an update, right? Yeah. Okay. So what I need to do is use the update function, put that in there, crank this in here, and no error anymore. Yeah. I'm awesome. Yeah, if we hit E, we want to deactivate the player camera. Sorry. We want to basically deactivate the player object, and then we want to reactivate it when we press E again. Yes. Therefore, we will need some variables. Private bool. I want to know if we are in the cabinet. Is hiding. That we need. Right. Hi, Wukar. Hi. I am online. I'm live at least 3 times a week. So you can catch me whenever you want. On Twitch, I'm online more than 3 times, usually. So go over to Twitch. That's all I'm saying. I will need the player. No, that is also a private one. I could make it public for testing, but I don't need to. Public camera. No. Public game object. Wait a second. Have I been smart? Did I do a correct thing? What do you think? What do you think? Guys, did I do it right? I probably did. The player has a script that is named player and... Yes. Yes, I have. Okay. We don't need this. Yeah, we need a private game object that is the player object. So it will, I actually will. This is not too much effort. In the start function, I want the player object to be the same as player dot instance dot game object. Hell yeah. There we go. Whatever I'm doing, this is this is why I usually do all the just this stuff, just the designing and just the level design, graphics and that stuff on stream, because the rest, the programming part here is just confusing. Because I think something and I just type it in and I won't even explain, because why would I? And you just gotta be confused of what I'm doing. I can try to explain, but I don't really want to. I'm sorry, I don't really want to. And there's another private one, there's a camera. That one is the cabinet camera. Cabinet camera is get component in children camera, right? Where is it? There, yeah. Wait, no. I'll make this a public one. It's okay, public. And also game object, actually. Cabinet, camera, or... Nah, that's okay. Let's make it private. No, I can't. It's gotta be public. It's okay. So, yes, exactly. What was I doing? How is everyone doing? How is your day? My day was great. I'm having classes now with international students, and they are really great. I like the students. I gotta say, amazing guys. Love it. Hey, thanks SB. Hi SB. Thanks. Wait. Oh, who is that? SB. Hi, come in. Hi. Thanks for all the kinds of contents. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate it. My boy. So, what was I doing? When we hit E. We hit E. Then is hiding is equal to true. The player itself will deactivate. No, wait, I'm sorry. I gotta push the microphone a little bit. So that is not in the way. Is that okay? Is the microphone good now? Can you... Is it good for you? I hope the microphone is perfect for you now. Has to be. I'm not gonna push it again. Spot on. It's perfect. Great. I love it. I've got a problem. I can't see the screen anymore. I've got to do this now. I mean, I can still see the screen. It's okay. You cannot see me. Ah, unfortunately, I gotta push it somewhere else. The main problem is I cannot see my keyboard. If I'm having it right now, I can see it. Now it should. Minor setback on mine. You're right. I would just turn my camera off then. From that school, yeah. The Itas. They're really good. Like I sometimes, like every year I got like 1 or 2 classes with them, and they're usually pretty good. They're interested. Because they travel, they are at Siemens for a reason. I really like those. I have no idea if one is called Daniel. No idea. I don't know names. I don't even know your name right now. Let me try to think of it. I don't know. I sometimes even I forget my own name. I don't know. Names are... They are not logic. They do not fit in my head. Spanish ones, they're all great. It's really... I rarely had an international one that didn't do a great job. So, we want to activate the cabinet camera. And we want to deactivate the player. Let's just deactivate the whole player object. Doesn't matter. You know Carol's name? Yeah, I know some names if you hear them over and over again. But that's pretty much it. So let's see. If I hit E now, we should actually go into the cabinet. We cannot get out. We should probably be able to go in. Let's see. Oh, they speak with you in Spanish. Yeah, that's of course cool then. Perfect. That worked. Interactable cabinet has not signed. Yeah, of course, I didn't do that yet. That needs to be done in the prefab. Boink. In there. Done. Now it should work. So now we should be able to get into the cabinet, actually. Let's see. Boink. We did it. We're inside of the cabinet. Let's also put a text there. Just a huge UI element that says exit or quit or something. UI, just a huge... Just a text. Just a text. E to exit. Just E exit. I want to have it in the same style as the other. Why did I just copy it? Because I don't know where it is. Let's see. Perfect. It is there. You can't see it. It really is there. You just can't see it. It's there somewhere. I want to have the same style as the one on the player that we see there. I don't know where it is. Status display? No. Texts. Whole screen. Hand panel. That's probably the hand panel. Image text. Yeah, that's it. I am the greatest. Is that a canvas? Yes, copy. Yes. Here, delete that one. Put that one in here. Paste as child. Yes. Yes. Whole screen. I don't care. Scooter panel. I don't care. Dialog panel. I don't care. Hand panel. Yes. Image text. Image text. Image should be exit. We had that exit, right? I can exit. Quit. Quit. There we go. Now we have the quit thing. You're taking over Siemens. Take over Siemens, sure. I don't know who is the leader of Siemens right now. Is it? No, Joe Kesa. It's not Kesa, right? Who's right now leading? No, it is Kesa. Joe Kesa? Is it? I couldn't even answer that. If I would be on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, I couldn't answer it. What do you mean? Really? Ah, you've got one of those. There we go. This needs to be active. Roland Busch? I've never heard that name. When did he take over? When did Roland Busch take over? What? Now I'm really interested. I have to read about it, but I've never heard that. Boink, E in, and E is exit. Yes. Roland Busch. Are you kidding me? Roland Busch. He looks like the CEO here. Who is it? Amazon. Jeff Bezos. He looks like Bezos a little bit. I don't know. When did he take over? 2019? Oh no. 3rd of February. 3rd of February, that is 20 days. Okay, so those are even news. Those are even news. Oh. Mr. Käse. Oh, interesting. Yeah, Siemens is like all those parts of Siemens, all those splitter parties. That's strange, but okay, interesting. That's a huge Wikipedia article. Wow, that's a huge article you've got there, Roland Busch, for being one of the most, like, I don't know, one of the biggest German, like the one with the most power, because Siemens is a really huge company. Wow, that's a huge article. Let's see, BMW. Who's the boss here? Boss. Oliver Zipse. Okay, yours is also not. Why do you all not have some? How young are you? That guy's like 40. Almost 60. That's an old picture then. Okay. Next part. The boss of BMW. I just googled. I just want to know any other German high-ranked industry guy if they have bigger articles. If they have bigger Wikipedia articles. I think I'm almost done with this part of the... Whoops, forgot the bracket. Never ever forget brackets. I just need to read... I just need to make all the trues to a false and all the false to a true. That's it. There we go. Just need to invert everything once. That might be it already. Is it this easy? Please tell me it's this easy. Yeah, it works. As you can hear. I'll do the other way around, by the way. Else. I know what the problem is. That is relaxing music. When did this show up? Music. I like it. There you go. That should fix it. How to convince people to do stuff? Money! There's only one thing in the world that convinces people. That's money. You gotta give them something they want. Which usually is money. Could be something else, but I don't know if you're pretty enough. Why doesn't it still work? It still doesn't work. Are you kidding me? What? Huh? Test. Okay, why did this not... Why doesn't it work? Why didn't the... Why? 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 I don't know. Why? Test works. Okay, good. We're in here. Hey, it does the thing. It does the part, but it doesn't do the part. Why doesn't it do the part? It goes in there, but doesn't do. Player object set active to true. Oh, whoops. Else. It does the part, so I don't need the debug logs. I could work with breakpoints, by the way, but I never really liked breakpoints. I can remember in the studies and stuff, breakpoints were never really, like, my strong part. Let's do it. Boink, boink. What the shit? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? But it worked, but there's still issues. Hide. It worked. Or why? Wait, let me check the scene. The gizmos anymore? Yeah. Camera's still there. It's not the spawn point. Look, the character's still here. Good point. I also thought about it, but I did not change the position yet. I just deactivated. I didn't delete the player. I just deactivated him for a moment. I think I know what the problem is. He was still there. He was still there. Nothing really happened. The problem is probably that the camera, the timing. Now we're talking about milli or microseconds even. No. What? We are not. Arr. What? Hide. Okay. Boink. No. His mind ran off. Yeah, that might be. I need to test something off screen. I mean, I need 2 screens. That's why it's off screen right now for you. It is not really off screen, but it's... Look at the player here. Woohoo! With this mind-blowing cell phone. Exit. Okay, so it's not a light issue. Yeah, it is the problem that I thought it is. Yes, how do I fix it? You can see it. Void. Deactivate cabinet. I'm just testing things right now because I think I know what the problem is, but I don't know if that's really the problem. Are they huge? Are those cabinets huge? I don't know. In contrast to the player, probably, yeah, you're right. I made the character smaller in the mine here. You're right, they're probably pretty huge. I mean, first person it works. Isn't it third person? It's also kind of okay for third person. See? Shit. I hate when this happens. I hate it when this happens. Hey, the YouTube roll in. Yay. I mean, I appreciate it. Wait, let me read them. I will do it. I don't care. Oh my goodness. Hey Salah, hey Dejan, hey Legin, hey Jose, hey Tiamin, hey Hyodin, hey Yaku, hey Richard, hey JB, hey AD. There we go. I've read them all. I should turn it off. I don't know why it does. I don't even have it turned on, actually. For YouTube. Oh my goodness. That will go on for some time now. Boink, boink. Why? How many are there? I don't know. It always collects for like 1 or 2 hours and then just does that. It's a YouTube thing. I really don't know. Maybe the camera's going to space. I don't think so. Yes, I thought about it, but no. It doesn't. And also this didn't work. Which I really thought is the problem. Let's see. You with your green name. Why are you green? Ah, YouTube. Okay. YouTube's green. And if the camera would just go away, if it would be wandering off somewhere, we would still see it. Oh, it's just dark. Why does it just go dark? I don't get it. Where is the camera? The camera is still in the correct place. That's why I have to do it off screen, because I need a second screen right now. Camera is still there. The camera should still work. Definitely should still work. I'm just deactivating it and reactivating it. Why does it do that? Let's try if we don't go into the cabinet. What happens if I do it manually? The same problem? Yeah. Fog? What did I do with fog? It's similar. I don't remember what there was something with fog, I think. Yes. I don't exactly know what you mean. Wait, why? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm getting tired. Camera. Off? On. If I only make it the camera, it works. Make it the head, it works. If I make it the components, it doesn't work anymore. Okay. There's probably a second script that deactivates the camera already. Test again. Yeah, this works. What's this here now? Oh yeah, with the fog, I was wondering why. You're right, you're right. There was yeah. You're right, you're right. Good times, good times. Status display. There is something else on the component level that if I deactivate it and reactivate it, just breaks it? What? There we go. Why? Wait. Status display. And this is the problem, that it is already rather complex. That is why it is a kind of a problem. Hi, Jonas, Borup, or Jonas. I don't know. German pronunciation or English? Hey, Jonas, Jonas. Yeah, that's it. The status display is somehow in front of it. But why? Look at this. It's this one here. One doesn't show up, so it can't be that one. It's the dead screen. It's got an image connector. Why? Why would it? Why would it be? Why would it be? Yes, I'm a philosopher now. UI default material. Maskable. It's masked. No, it's not. It's dead screen. Does this work? Tried fixing it in the mines. Maybe. So I have something in mind, and I think it might work, but it's already too complicated, and I don't want to destroy other things. This is not start. This is on enable. Is there something like enable? On enable function Unity. On enable, are you kidding me? Yes, it exists. Why does it not work? Public? What public? Why did I make this public? Do I remember VHS cassettes? Of course I do. I have been there. There we go. I can just type it down. That worked. Probably maybe my thing is broken. Well, I still remember like a couple of cassettes. We had problems because you can only watch them a couple of times. And I had Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on a VHS. Like the movie, I don't know what the one movie. They had only one movie, definitely. And I remember that I could not watch it too much because it was already so broken. So I had to save it for later. Then I never watched it again, unfortunately. But look at this, boink boink, that works. But now we have something called new text there. I have no idea what that is. What's the dialogue thingy? I hope I'm not breaking everything else. Just by the way. Yeah, I watched that. That's why I watched this movie like already 100 times or so. So I couldn't really. It was getting worse and worse because we used it. We recorded from TV. Where do I have the stupid? Oh my goodness! So many things. There's so many things. Is it in texts? I hope I don't break something else right now. That's the thing. Is it in texts? Is that why off and on? Yeah, new text. There we go. What is new text? What is this bullshit? Baloney. Is that dialogue? Yeah. Yeah. TV recorded and then it's broken forever. Text system. No, on enable. On enable as well. Yeah, and I won't even put any comment here because I know it's going to work and it's not broken now. Please tell me it's not. And I have to test the other level as well. Okay. Look at this. We can go in, we can go out. Good. Perfect. All that's left to do is testing if the other stuff still works. That's the most urgent thing right now. So let's see. Death Border. I go into... Let's go first intro. Let's check it out if the dialogue still works. I'm using C#. I think you can use Java as well, yeah. But I'm using C#. I think you can force it to whatever language you want, basically. Dialogue works. I forgot that they make sounds. My little friends here. Dialogue still works. The second thing is the Death Border. So I need to die. How do I die? Do I still have dying in the game? Is that still a thing? Let's go to Knights. Let's go on Chad, on our good old Chad here. Monster spawn. Where is that there? Let's spawn the Spider. I think Doozy and Spider are the ones that can kill us. Let's see who gets us first. How do I do the voices? They don't have voices yet. Or the sounds that you heard, they were pre-recorded by something. It's just random internet bullshit. Wait, no, I gotta activate this one here. So now Doozy can get us, and I hope that we can see the death screen. Ah, Spider. Okay, herd quarter works.
You're very... You're no fun. I'll get you next time. Bye.
Like, those voices I record. This was my voice right there. Where's the Spider? Now we should fade away and we should be dead. Yeah, that still works. Okay. Good. Let's deactivate it so next time I'm not gonna freak out. Okay, good. So we can enter the cabinets now, kind of. Not 100%, but kind of. Whew. That was not tough, but a lot of thinking. Let's go back into the mine, actually. Spider cave. Let's with the script where I change stuff. I think it works. Yeah, sure. Now it works. I can delete whatever I did there. Good progress, I would say. I mean, not when I'm only like programming 1 or 2 hours a week, so it's gonna take a long time until this is done. But that's already a lot, right here. What we will need to do is also put sounds now. The Spider is now outside, and we're gonna do sound and stuff. But we can already hide in the cabinets. There should be cabinets spread around everywhere. We can hide in those. That's basic horror game elements that we need. Those are needed in every horror game. So, there we go. Boink. Jonas, you can actually download a version of it yet. If you want, you can download a version. I will give you the link. Because I'm pretty much done programming for the day. I will switch over to something else in a minute. Here is the link. So you can download an early version. There's also a link for YouTube if you want. But that's the last version. That doesn't have the mines yet. So you can download an early version without the part I'm actually working on right now. But yeah. So I will save this now. I would say I'll call it a day with programming. Yeah, I'm good with programming. That's been some stuff, right? We added a big feature that I thought would be more complex. We did it in 1.5 hours. That's good. That's very good progress, I would say. There's much more to do in the mines. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. But for now, I think I'm tired enough on the programming part here. I'm now thinking, yeah. I'm now thinking of what I'm doing now. I will call it quits on YouTube for the day. I will continue streaming on Twitch for some time, but I will call it quits on YouTube. So if you want to still join, I will go on and play some Stardew Valley because I feel like, and I'm completely hooked. I know. So I will continue on Twitch playing it a while. So stay a while and listen while seeing me farming. Just half an hour or so. But I will call it a night on YouTube because Twitch is easier to just change the game and stuff. So thanks YouTube, thank you for joining. If you want, don't forget to go over on Twitch and join the club there. Let me check it, let me go a second there. There's the link. Don't forget. But that was my voice. So yeah. leaving YouTube right now. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Thanks, friends. And I'll see ya next time around. So I'm going over Twitch, right? So see ya there in a minute, or have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye, YouTube, for now.